Hello there! Today's topic, comparative adjectives, the key to comparing things like a native speaker. What are comparative adjectives? Comparative adjectives are used to compare two people, places, or things. They help us say that one thing is bigger, faster, smarter, or more interesting than another. For example, this book is shorter than that one. See how we're comparing two books? Here's how to form them. One-syllable adjectives. Rule. Add er. Example. Tall. Taller. Two-syllable ending in y. Rule. Change y to ier. Ear. Example. Happy. Happier. Longer adjectives. Use more plus adjective. Example. Beautiful. More beautiful. Irregular adjectives. Rule. Change form completely. Example. Good. Better. Bad. Worse. Always remember to use than when comparing. She is smarter than her brother. Practice time. Let's try a few together. I'll give you two things and you create a sentence using a comparative adjective. A cat and a lion. A lion is bigger than a cat. Today and yesterday. Today is hotter than yesterday. Now it's your turn. Comment your own comparison down below. Quick tips to avoid mistakes. Don't say more better. Just use better. Use than to complete the comparison. Don't forget spelling changes like happy, happier. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand comparative adjectives. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!